How's it going today, YouTube? I went to the flea market today. I found me something to work on so I wouldn't get bored. This is an old Stanley utility knife. There's nothing special about this. They're really cheap to find. It's just, I like utility knives a little bit. Not as much as Scout Crafter, but they do take some work to finish. They remade this not long ago. Looks just like the old one, except doesn't say USA. Of course, I cleaned this one up and painted it. Did the same thing to the new one. Here's a couple other ones I cleaned up. Roberts, like the maroon I put on that. Here's just another cheap one. Just wanting to try out some paint. Here's my favorite one. This ain't a valuable one or nothing. I like this paint. I don't know if you can tell. It's a nice color paint. But this one, these are in stores right now at Lowe's. Made in the USA. Really like this one. I don't know if anybody's seen these. These are not really utility knives. I mean, they kind of are. They got replaceable blades too. It's really lightweight. Good to put in your pocket. But anyways, start out with a little bit of wire brush. Let me show you what the inside of this looks like. Just a second. The screw looks like it was soaked in a bucket of water. And so does this thing. It looks like someone used it as a water bottle. Let's see what I can do with this. It should take quite a bit of time. Be right back. So I got all the rust off of it, but still got quite a bit of work to do. It has a lot of pitting. It's really hard to do the inside. The screw looking better. It's even got pitting on it. Won't focus, but anyway, see what I can do with this. The belt sander, tried the fiber wheel, and it needs more. Alright, I'm back. It's been about 3 or 4 days, and let's see what we got here. Took several coats to get enough paint on it so the metal wouldn't show. Got all most of the pitting, scratches out. It was pretty shiny until I put lacquer on it. That dulled it down a little. But I like this color combination. Used these two. It's candy apple red, King's Gold, just some cheap Walmart paint. Ain't the best kind of paint to use, but if you got a good clear coat on it, like lacquer, you can put lacquer over paint. You just gotta make sure the paint's completely dry. Check out the inside. You can only open these with a Stanley screwdriver. That's the rule. And the screw was mangled. I mean, I fixed it the best I could. Did get all the rust out of the inside. Didn't make it quite as shiny as the outside. You can only use Stanley blades too. That's also a rule. Alright, comparing my newer one that I restored first to my older one I just restored. Done a much better job on this one. Might change the screws though. See the difference? USA, but other than that, this one's heavier for some reason. But another thing I've learned recently is when you're coating something you're going to hold a lot, like a tool, regular clear coat just isn't the best, because that's what I have on this one, and I mean it keeps it from rusting, but after you hold it for a minute it gets kind of tacky, even though it's been dried for months. So switch to lacquer, which comes on most tools. You can't even tell it's there. So yeah, let me know what you think. Thanks, subscribe.